While traveling through time, I encountered numerous worlds and had many adventures. I got my spacecraft repaired by a talented lady engineer on a distant planet. Sometimes I even traveled in zero gravity, which was an exhilarating experience. One day, by mistake, I ended up in the world of ghosts. A ghost chased me and somehow I managed to escape from there. Eventually, I reached a fascinating 3D world. During my journey, I discovered a robot inside my spaceship. This robot became a helpful companion and assisted me in reaching a candy plant. However, despite all these experiences, there was something crucial that we were still forgetting, and it remained far beyond our reach. By this point, I had aged and began to look somewhat like this. Otherwise, we reached this world and I find a channel called Mr. AI, which you might have also found. So why wait? Subscribe, friend. Let's find out which AI tool I used to create this video. Actually, friends, the name of this tool is Vidu. You can call it a Vidu or you can call it a Vidu, and I would like to tell you that the video you saw in the intro was created by me randomly. I thought that it would be better to create a story rather than just putting it in a video sequence. Anyway, let's come back to this tool. Friends, to use it you will have to come to vidu.studio. We will log in by clicking on try. Then I want to show you what its pricing looks like. We are not too concerned with the pricing because we will be using only the free version. In this version, you receive 80 credits per month. For one video, you will get 4 credits, and if you upscale it, then it will use 4 more credits. So now, without any further delay, let's get started and write our first prompt. For this, we will click on create video. By clicking here, you can create videos in 2 different styles. First we have general and second we have animation. For now we can only keep it general. Then just like you might have played tribal while playing cricket. You can also generate a video here by clicking on inspire me in a random prompt. After you click on inspire me, we then click on create. And in just a few seconds it creates our video according to the prompt. Now to improve its quality, we can click on upscale here. By doing this, your 4 credits will be used again, but eventually your video will be upscaled like this. Another great feature is its image to video conversion. By clicking here, we upload an image. For example, I will upload this image. Then write something about this image as well. As I was writing, a female astronaut repairing her device in the spacecraft, and click on create, and friends, within a minute, a wonderful video has been created. Isn't it cool? Similarly, friends, I also created this astronaut video, in which my prompt was an astronaut discovering candy land on a distant planet. By the way, I did not tell you one thing, sorry for the delay. You can download the video by clicking on the download icon here. I will create one last image to video and show you. After this, we will create a video from text or only text. This time I will upload this image by clicking here, and here we select the character reference. Then we will write a prompt. A boy working in the forest. Yes, a small mistake happened, a superficial mistake happened, sir. I got very scared. I wrote both in the forest and in the jungle in the prompt, but none of them changed the output. Finally, we click on create, and again within a minute our 3D animated video will be created. Finally, friends, this is going to be the last prompt where we will write only text, which is a ghost walking on his hands. And we got such an output from this prompt. So friends, please let me know in the comments how you like this video. And do you know how I earned my first $1 using AI images? If not, then definitely click on the video on the left, and if you find this video informative, then like it, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Be a part of my journey. Thank you so much for watching.